instant supercar was designed for drivers of Camrys, Civics, minivans, and Econoboxes who wish they had a supercar. But what about the majority of us who don't have cars? There may be more than 600 million cars on the planet, but with 6 billion people, that's hardly enough to go around. Can an instant supercar fulfill our dreams of a V8 Rumble on our daily commute to work? To find out, we came to the city of Guangzhou, a city in South China less than 100 miles from the factory which manufactures the iPhone. Line 4 of the metro provides a perfect environment, floating above the Chinese countryside, to try to turn a subway car into a Porsche 911. Let's watch. First, we wait until the subway comes to a complete stop at a station. For today's demonstration, we've come to Huangge Auto Town. We place the iPhone or iPod on a flat surface. As you can see here, we placed it on the seat. And we load up the software. To make it sound like a Porsche 911. The doors have closed and we're ready to go. Fire up the engine. Slowing down, coming to downshift to first gear. And we've arrived. Your subway ride is now in a supercar.